Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a request from Crafting Seasons. Hi Maggie! This is the step-by-step inspired Rae Dunn Ornaments, from design space to placing the vinyl onto the ornament. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, as well as leave me a comment. So let's get started. On the left side panel, go to text and type Mary, Joy, Believe, change the font to the skinny, which can be found on thefont.com. Then on the letter space, we are going to click on the down arrow and bring the letters closer. On the advanced tool, let's click Ungroup Lines. Now I'm going to change the height for each text. Mary will be 1.5. Joy will be 1.5 as well. And since Believe is a longer word, I would like to change this to 1.2 in height. Looks like the Believe looks a little smaller, so I'm just going to change the height to 1.3. I'm not going to use the attach tool because it doesn't matter if my text goes out of order. So I'm just going to click Make It. Then continue. So I've already uploaded my mat, and just hit the go button, and not to forget to verify your dial is in the right setting. Now that it's done cutting, I'm going to unload the mat. I like to fold my mat like a taco and gently remove the vinyl. I'm just going to trim the vinyl. Now I'm going to weed from the outside and gently remove the vinyl. Try to be careful due to the fonts are pretty thin. Now I'm placing a transfer tape on top of the vinyl. Burnish it with a scraper. If you don't have a scraper on hand, you can also use ID cards, credit cards, not a problem. Now gently remove the backing of the vinyl. I'm going to trim the transfer tape as close as I can to the text and then cut a slit between the letters. In my opinion, this is just easier to place the image to a curved surface. I have some leftover ornaments from last year that I had bought from Michael's, so I'm going to show you how to place these vinyls on them. I find the center and gently press from the middle, up and down, side to side, I like to use my fingernails to go over each lines of the letters. The font is so skinny that I want to make sure the vinyl is sticking to the ornament. Gently remove the transfer tape. And you will notice that some of the letters may lift, and that's okay, just press gently and rub again. And here you go. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or a comment. If you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.